Lie down comfortably. Let your head sink deeply into your pillow. Place the screen of your phone directly in front of your eyes, maybe on a pillow or cushion. Now close your eyes. Let the pulses of light ripple softly through your closed eyelids. Like gentle sparks of energy flowing across your mind. At first, your mind might want to follow the patterns, to hold on to the shapes and colors. Let them come, and let them go. The light is only here to remind you that you can release control and rest in clarity. Take a deep, steady breath in. Feel the light joining your inhale. Exhale fully. With every flicker, your body softens, but your mind sharpens. Relaxed, yet alert. Bring your attention to your face. The light softens your forehead, loosens your jaw, and clears the space behind your eyes. Like a window opening, fresh air flowing in. Notice your breath, smooth and even. Each inhale, gathering focus. Each exhale, dissolving heaviness. Now imagine the flickering glow spreading outward, surrounding your whole body, a cocoon of pulsing light, calming your nerves and charging your focus. You may notice your thoughts settling, your inner space becoming wide and open. Inside this space, only stillness remains. A stillness that supports focus. A stillness that renews energy. A stillness that clears your path ahead. Now, picture the light gathering gently in your chest. A steady glow expanding with every breath. filling you with balance, confidence, clarity. Allow yourself to rest here, calm, centered, awake. Take one more deep, steady breath in. Exhale completely. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this calm clarity with you into your next moment, into your day. And if you find yourself again out of focus or sleep, come back to one of our experiences. You deserve to focus. You deserve to rest.